Hello, in front of me I've got PS5. In this video I'll tell you answer to question: will PSVR2 play 3D movies? So actually, when the PSVR2 was announced, Sony's gaming hardware chief confirmed in an interview that there are no plans for Blu-ray 3D support on PSVR2. So shortly, most probably there will be not 3D compatible movies for Blu-ray on PS5 with the PSVR2. Unfortunately, we won't be able to watch the movies in 3D on the PSVR2. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.